Hey guys, I'm Nisha Homie. Today I'm sharing a healthy gluten-free Cheela recipe, ideal as a quick breakfast or as a meal for dinner. So let's get started with the recipe. To make the Cheela, I have already peeled two medium-sized potatoes and I've added them in a bowl filled with water. And now I'm going to grate the raw potatoes. Okay, now the potatoes are nicely grated. Into this I'm adding in some water and I'm rinsing the potatoes really well. This step is very important. You will need to rinse the potatoes a couple of times so that the starch in the potatoes are released. Rinse the potatoes and squeeze and transfer to a bowl. Repeat the same process one or two times or until the water is clear. You need to make sure that the starch is completely removed. Add the thoroughly rinsed grated potatoes onto a bowl. 2 tablespoons finely chopped coriander leaves, ½ inch ginger finely chopped, 1 green chilli finely chopped, ½ teaspoon jeera, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. Add in ½ cup buckwheat flour. Buckwheat is also known as Kuttu ka aata and it does not contain any wheat, though its name suggests that there is wheat, and it is completely gluten-free. It is made from grinding buckwheat. ½ teaspoon sea salt or as needed, and give this all a good mix. I have already shared a couple of recipes using buckwheat. Please do check it out. Links will be updated below this video. And I have also shared one buckwheat roti recipe. You may please check it out. Next I'm adding in 1/4 cup of water little by little and give this all a good mix. And you can see that the batter is now of a spreadable consistency. So this is the consistency which you should be aiming at, and you may add extra 1 tablespoon of water to get this consistency if the batter is dry. Okay, now I have divided the batter into 3 equal sized portions. I'm heating my cast iron tawa and I'm lightly greasing it with wood pressed gingerly oil, also known as sesame oil or til oil. Once the tawa is heated, reduce the flame to the lowest and place a portion of the dough on the center and lightly press it out into a thin roti or cheela. You can also wet your hand to help spread it out as thinly as possible. Beginners can use a wet spoon to spread it out thinly. Once it is spread into a round cheela, drizzle in 1 teaspoon wood pressed groundnut oil or any wood pressed oil of your choice. Cover and let it cook on low flame. 2 minutes later, open the lid and carefully flip it over. Allow that side to get crisp. 2 minutes later, carefully turn it over. To get the cheela crisp on both sides, I'm going to allow it to stay on the tawa on both sides for another couple of minutes. 2 minutes later, I'm flipping it over and let it stay for another 2 minutes. You can see how crispy the cheela is, and remove to a plate. Repeat the same thing with the rest of the batter. Now leftover batter can always be refrigerated and it will stay good in an airtight container for up to 3 or 4 days. And my super healthy buckwheat cheela is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy buckwheat cheela and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.